Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender can overview their appraisal orders and how they can download their appraisal order. As you can see, this is the page where when an appraisal order is created, you are navigated towards. On this page, we can overview the appraisal order details. We have a documents tab, we have status update and transaction tab. To overview, we need to click on this overview button and we can scroll down to overview the project details. To download this appraisal order, we can click on this button and it will download an appraisal order. And we can view this downloaded appraisal order form. Another way to overview the appraisal details is when you click on the appraisal orders and you want to overview your any another appraisal order details. You can click on the appraisal order and you can overview the appraisal order details. And this is another appraisal order. You can view the details of this appraisal order as well. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.